flower design have a rule also. I think it's very important. I have a theory, I have a rule. You cannot just make flower like this. We have a theory for the flower design. I think it's very important. It's like everything. When you want to learn a piano, you need also to learn how to play first. Or when you want to cut hair, you also need to. You cannot just take a scissor and cut hair like this. So it's also very important when you flower design to learn the rule. So I use the golden rule for dispatch the group inside the arrangement. So the golden rule have a three group: the principal, the secondary, and the complementary. So the principal is 8, the secondary is 5, and the complementary is 3. Okay, so this is for the size, but also is for the distance between the different groups. So the principal, if I take the sunflower, is the bigger there, and the secondary is at the opposite direction, there, and is a little smaller. And after the complementary, so is more near the principal there. I also like to use the rule and the theory of the flower design to create a lot of different design. The meaning I can use it for make some a wall design or some different things for put on the wall. There is a proportion, if you take a square like this, and how to separate the square. So how to make it asymmetric, because it's asymmetric. I don't cut it in the middle, I cut it in asymmetry. But how is it more nice for your eyes when you look? So we can use the golden rule. So we can separate the square in two different surfaces. One is bigger and one is smaller. But there is a proportion between A. So A is all of the circle. The A and the B, this one. So A divided by B actually is the same like a B divided by C, and is equal to 1.6. So when make a flower design, you need to think about a lot of different things. You can of course think about the color, but you can also you need to think about to do some contrast with the flower or with the green that you use. So we also use the color contrast, but you can also use the movement contrast. Actually, all this kind is also used not only for flower, I think, but anywhere, even for interior design or for architecture.